Man, another day, another tyree sneeze. No. Sorry about that. Tyree loser sneeze. That's better. So Tyree, you still claiming you got these 5 luxury cars and a beautiful house down by Mexico. You're a millionaire. Let's see. You were complaining about $16. You don't have that chain no more. You don't have that ring no more. And we all know why. Because you are a loser lowlife that is broke and homeless and clueless, because in your own words, you like living that way. But you always talking about money. Always talking about money. Always saying you done spent more than people didn't have in their life. Or you got some, but you just ain't touching it yet. Tyree, you are a joke. A genuine joke. You flash $20 bills with ones. With ones. You get or do anything close to getting money, or meaning you go get money, you gloat about it the whole time. You will talk about it for a good hour if you can. Because that's you. You love showboating. But the only thing about it is, when you showboating, you gotta have something to back it up. You can't be showing some wrinkled up $20 bills with some more wrinkled up ones. I never seen somebody flash 20s and ones in my life. And then you be gloating about it, like, yeah, I get money around here. I'm about this life. Son. Man, Mother Teresa got more balls than you do. You are so far from being a tough dude, not even funny. You are a pathetic little man that can't fight, can't rap. You can't even think your way out of a freaking brown paper bag, bro. You know, you just, I don't know why you keep running from it, but you just a pure loser, bro. Faster you accept it, better your life will get. Trust me. Everybody is waiting for you to accept that you are a good loser, coward, nobody, wannabe. And for all your racist talks and racism on this, racism on that, you are the epitome of a person that's so physically non-threatening. You are built like a bird. You walk with a hunch. Your baloney lips covering up those everywhere teeth in your mouth. Yeah, you are by far 110% non-threatening. I've seen something that confirmed it to me. Your little stupid little fight you had in that yard with that other black guy. I never seen two giblet heads look worse. Neither one of y'all better ever put on a pair of gloves again. That black guy was terrible. Jesus Christ. Neither one of y'all can beat up a dandelion. Neither one of y'all. And then second, y'all wearing those stupid mouthpieces. You know what makes it even funnier is neither one of y'all came close of hitting each other in the face. Y'all two were so scared to hit each other in the face that y'all was literally throwing the same punch. Y'all would literally throw a punch and keep y'all face out the way to where you could barely hit each other because y'all trying to run from each other so quick. And y'all so scared to get hit. So it was like watching a tryout for the Special Olympics with y'all two. It was terrible. And Tyree, you better try to get that taken down because, bro, you are so non-threatening. It ain't even funny, man. It ain't even funny. I see why you a racist prick, lowlife. Because ain't nobody scared of you. Nobody. And they really ain't gonna be scared of you after I pull up on you. Because Tyree, ain't nothing you can do or say to get me to like you. You are an epitome of a scumbag. You try to belittle people because you are a moron, a idiot, loser. So in turn, you say, hey, I'm gonna try to talk about people, and then I'm gonna lie to my teeth about what I have and don't have. So I'm gonna lie to my teeth And like I always say, losers always make their lives big, try to make their lives big as, this colossal size lie. You and Charlie, y'all are so alike, it ain't even funny. That piece of crap, Charlie, got the nerve to call a woman every name under the sun. Because he mad that he can't get a mother effing woman. And once again, he lies through his teeth talking about he only went there once or twice. Charlie, you know God dang well, you was probably there every night of the week. You probably went there, drunk about 12 gallons of water. You know you got no money just to see Bunny. And Charlie, I'll let you know a little secret. They was probably ripping on you in the back where they get dressed and stuff. They was probably like, "Ooh, Bunny, you got Charlie the loser's that off out there for you. I wonder if he could give you those red shoes, buddy." Or did he already offer it to Paris Hilton? Oh no, he offered it to Kim first. Then he said, "Kim, forget you. I'm done with you. I'm gonna offer these red shoes to Nicki Minaj. She deserve it. She deserve it." And then sprinkle in his wife that he say he hates, but boy, he talk about her every goddamn day. So, Charlie, you are a scumbag, bro. You have no room to ever talk about a woman. Try to belittle a woman for no reason. And you know what, Charlie, the messy thing about it, some women deserve to get talked to like crap. Like deadbeat moms and, they crappy mothers, they sluts, they chicken heads. Women like that, talk about them. Talk about all you want. But you still don't touch them or try to rape them or try to stalk them. That's creepy, man. That's creepy. And you don't care. You cross that line way too many times. Going to people's houses with flowers. That one model that retired. I didn't know you can retire from modeling because, hey, what you do? You go up and down the runway and try on all these nice clothes, and you go in and out and you get paid to do it. You get paid to travel. So retiring, who the F needs to retire from modeling? Come on, man. Let's just stop that retiring crap. But anyway, I ain't trying to veer off too far. Charlie, you just a freaking loser, bro. And I hope to God you picked the wrong chick to stalk and go to her job 15, 20 times just because the chick maybe picked up a piece of paper you dropped. You take that as, ooh, she tried to touch my penis. Nope, that means we together. I'm going to call her 55 times, and then I'm going to say, baby, when you hand me that paper, you said it right there. Charlie, you have the biggest wiener in the world, and I want you to be my husband. You said that in that car when you picked that paper up and gave it to me. You would get all that from her saying, oh, you dropped this. And you saying thank you, and she's saying, oh, no problem. You would take it that far just because she said that little things to you. And like always, you show your true colors. And your true colors is nothing but a spineless no job having, no real parents or real dad that wants to be in your life because you ain't nothing but a 110% idiot wrapped in a moron that don't deserve a single father or single mother in your life because you are 30 years old. You shouldn't be worrying about calling somebody your dad or stepdad. You are 31. Charlie, I heard you one time. I truly think you probably get put on punishment still. When that dude came to your house and he was ready to knock your punk butt out, and what you do? You pussied out and hid behind your stepdad. And I heard you say, Daddy's lying. I didn't hit him. I didn't hit his brother. I didn't hit him. He's lying. You are 31, loser. What the F is you doing talking like that to your stepdad? First of all, you shouldn't call him dad anyway. You're 30. He's your stepdad. It should be like, if his name was Mike, it should be like, Mike, I didn't hit him. This dude's bullcrapping, man. I ain't hit that dude. No, this is you. Dad, I promise I didn't hit him. He's lying. I was waiting for your stepdad to be like, go to your room. And you'd have went straight to your room. What that told me there, Charlie, is I already knew you was soft as a wet noodle. But to hide behind your dad, your stepdad, and be scared to go to that park because you know he's going to get your tail whooped. And then you put your hands on a homeless guy and ran. You ran. Do you understand that, bro? You ran from a homeless man. And you didn't knock him out. You never knock nobody out. You don't find that kind of crazy that you have to sucker punch people and you still can't knock them out? Or even knock them remotely down? You are the worst individual besides that whole tyree, unbelievable loser, broke, homeless, sneeze. Y'all two are the biggest pussies, man. Biggest pussies. Excuse my language, man, but y'all are the two of the biggest bitches in America. Y'all ain't nothing but, both of y'all are co-owners of, y'all are the kings of the bitches. Y'all two are you carry the throne, y'all two. You know, we would tell y'all to come up to the store or something and pick up your money for being the leaders of the bitches, but y'all two are so scary sherries that y'all wouldn't come up there because y'all say, literally, this is y'all say to us, I would come up there, you know, but I don't want to knock nobody out. You know, I'm Charlie, you know. I'm pound for pound, you know. I got things to do and something. No, darn well, your brother won't have nothing to do but jerk off in that goddamn disgusting looking apartment and won't come up there. Or y'all will. You'll come up there, Charlie, with those stupid belts on. Stupid belts. Those WWE belts from Toys R Us. You are a colossal Colossal, bro. Idiot loser who walks down the street wearing these two belts. Wearing two fake belts and then walking down the street wearing wrestling belts. Thinking people are looking at you saying, ooh, look at the champion go. He's pound for pound the biggest champion. Holy moly. You are such an idiot. You are such a loser. And then you make a video of you wearing these belts, playing, we are the champion. We are the champion. Charlie. Loser. Sneeze. Y'all gonna be the first two white people to be denounced from y'all. Y'all people. Y'all two are gonna get banned from being white. Y'all two do not represent anything positive about being white. Only thing y'all two do great is lie and talk trash on the computer because y'all know y'all couldn't do it in person if they paid you. Tyree in public, but this dude looking around so hard because he know somebody's coming up to pull up on his punk butt, and that person is going to be me, and I'm going to get his soft butt. And he's soft as a Twinkie. And Charlie, I'm going to end this on you because I got to finish burying Sneeze. Charlie, you keep on putting down women, putting your hands on innocent people in the gym or homeless men on the side of the road. I'm going to make sure you be homeless. And I'm going to put my hands on you. Because you're the ultimate coward. The biggest coward. You are a loser. No job having. No morals to stand up on. You spineless little girl. It is so helpful that you would never have a child, because it's enough having you on this earth being the biggest loser on the West Coast. I don't think you better not ever try to have a baby with somebody, because you're way too dumb. You're dumb. Having a baby, that'd be like another dumb. Do not feel sorry because he's a baby, but it's from you. Bro, you're just something else, man. Something else. So, I'm done with you, Charlie. Until a little bit till you say something stupid. Idiot. Back to you, loser Sneeze. Tyree, you just can't help yourself. You can't help yourself, bro. You cannot help the fact that you cannot stay off the internet, YouTube, because you think it is so weird and funny that you say you don't need YouTube, but you are always on it running your mouth. Right, your sorry excuse for a man's mouth. Because you know nobody can touch you when you're on that computer. And for you saying, people know where I'm at, they can pull up. See, you know that's a lie. That's a straight lie. You don't. You know people don't know where you stay. Because you know why? Because you freaking go to every crack-headish hotel and pay probably about $28 for a night. And you just love it. And then to make it worse, your sorry excuse. You try to lie and say it was the reason why you really in this hotel because you want to save money, you want to, get up to 5K, blah, 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 blah. But, sneeze, you know what blows that theory out the water is you stopped and bought a necklace that was, in your words, over $200. And where's that necklace at today? Nowhere to be seen. That nasty looking ring, haven't seen that. Tyree, you don't know how to save if somebody saved it for you. You don't know how to freaking manage your money. You see, this is your dumbness. I can start a freaking challenge to you and tell you, I guarantee I could buy more stuff than you. I could do this, and you would take it as a challenge, and start spending that little itty bitty money you get on some stupid stuff, man. Going out to eat, spending money on that terrible jewelry. I never met a tough guy thug that do not wear his chain outside too much because you are scared somebody go whoop you up and take it from you, take it from you. And that's the biggest punk out you could ever do. Scared to wear your stuff because you scared somebody go take it from you. Take it from you. And you know what? Another thing. I told your butt, man. Keep on saying the N-word, man. I'm gonna let you know, bro. I told you. I'm gonna get you, man. I'm gonna hurt you. You know what? You called that man an N-word for no reason. Because he asked for a cigarette. And you say you didn't have it. And you just bought a pack. And you say you didn't have it. And then you have the nerve to call him a nigger. Real quietly. For no reason. For no mother effing reason. But you try to come on here and talk about how sick you are, how this and that. You know what, man? You're just a coward above all cowards. You go say it and hurry up and look back and make sure he didn't hear you. And then you go talk to other other black people and act like you cool and this and that. See, everybody don't know your punk butt. Now you see how nobody can roll up on you if they don't know you? And second, Terry, you be on here like when you be sitting down and just running your mouth and saying racial slurs here, racial there. And then you say, nobody, they see me anyway rolling up because they know what's up, they know what's up. But this is the thing though. Sneeze. One, you darn near whisper it when they walk by. Two, you never say a freaking sentence when you're talking to another black guy. I never heard you yet look right in their face and say, I don't have no cigarette, nigger. I don't have no cigarette. No, this is what you do. Oh, no, man, I wish I had it. I don't got no cigarette, though, man. Sorry about that. And the guy said, oh, don't worry about it. Thanks anyway. And you thought that was worthy of you calling him the N-word? Talking about, get out of here, you in? You know what's up? But as soon as you were saying it, you hurry up and look back and make sure you ain't gonna come throttle you. But then you get on here and say, anybody pulling up on me, they know where I'm at. They know where I'm at. I'm gonna use your words. You are a bitch made. That's what you are. That's the only thing you are. Bro, you just a sorry excuse for anything, goodness, anything. And I told you, bro, I warned you that, man, keep using that word, man. I'm gonna get you, man. I'm gonna roll up on you. And I'm gonna pound you. And then I'm gonna make sure your butt looking over your shoulder for the rest of your life. Because you know what? There's more than one African American in this world that don't like being called the N-word. So, once again, sissy boy, $1,000, pit up, shut up. You can pick the place, you can pick the time. You know my stand. We can't have it at your uncle's, at your uncle's house, David Duke and the Funky Bunch. So, once again, put up or shut up. I forgot about you. Who in their right mind, a man-wise, goes out and get a tattoo on the lower back? What are you? Are you a chick? Oh, I know why you got that tattoo back there. For when you getting rammed, your little boyfriend can read the back of your tattoo. Oh, you just thought everything for him. Oh, you just a great loser. That's what you are, Tyree. You're a great loser. You think about everything. you literally got a tramp stamp. Boy, you're a bitch. Man, you're a good one. Man, please forgive me for my language, but good Lord, you're a good one, bro. Good one. You have a day, bro, because your days are numbered.